Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I believe you.
I believe you.
I believe him.
I believe him.
I believe her.
I believe her.
I believe them.
I believe them.
I believe it's true.
I believe it's true.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
I believe in hard work.
I believe in hard work.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I believe in kindness.
I believe in kindness.
I believe in honesty.
I believe in honesty.
I believe it's possible.
I believe it's possible.
I believe you're right.
I believe you're right.
I believe she's wrong.
I believe she's wrong.
I believe this will work.
I believe this will work.
I believe he can do it.
I believe he can do it.
I believe we are ready.
I believe we are ready.
I believe it will rain.
I believe it will rain.
I believe it's enough.
I believe it's enough.
I believe we must act now.
I believe we must act now.
I believe we should try.
I believe we should try.
I believe we'll win.
I believe we'll win.
I believe she come.
I believe she'll come.
I believe he'll call.
I believe he'll call.
I believe things will change.
I believe things will change.
I believe tomorrow is better.
I believe tomorrow is better.
I believe we'll meet again.
I believe we'll meet again.
I believe it's going to be okay.
I believe it's going to be okay.
I believe our time will come.
I believe our time will come.
I believe we'll succeed.
I believe we'll succeed.
I believe everything has a reason.
I believe everything has a reason.
I believe in God.
I believe in God.
I believe in forgiveness.
I believe in forgiveness.
I believe in peace.
I believe in peace.
I believe love wins.
I believe love wins.
I believe in doing good.
I believe in doing good.
I believe good things happen.
I believe good things happen.
I believe honesty matters.
I believe honesty matters.
I believe in miracles.
I believe in miracles.
I believe I'm strong.
I believe I'm strong.
I believe I'm improving.
I believe I'm improving.
I believe I'm learning.
I believe I'm learning.
I believe I can change.
I believe I can change.
I believe I deserve better.
I believe I deserve better.
I believe I'm enough.
I believe I'm enough.
I believe I made the right choice.
I believe I made the right choice.
I believe I did my best.
I believe I did my best.
I believe I will heal.
I believe I will heal.
I believe we're a team.
I believe we're a team.
I believe you'll support me.
I believe you'll support me.
I believe we can fix this.
I believe we can fix this.
I believe we understand each other.
I believe we understand each other.
I believe you love me.
I believe you love me.
I believe you mean well.
I believe you mean well.
I believe we belong together.
I believe we belong together.
I believe in my skills.
I believe in my skills.
I believe I can get the job.
I believe I can get the job.
I believe we'll finish on time.
I believe we'll finish on time.
I believe I can pass.
I believe I can pass.
I believe this project matters.
I believe this project matters.
I believe success is near.
I believe success is near.
I believe I can do better.
I believe I can do better.
I believe I'm qualified.
I believe I'm qualified.
I believe we're on the right path.
I believe we're on the right path.
I believe you're strong.
I believe you're strong.
I believe you're special.
I believe you're special.
I believe you're brave.
I believe you're brave.
I believe in your dreams.
I believe in your dreams.
I believe in your ideas.
I believe in your ideas.
I believe we should wait.
I believe we should wait.
I believe he made a mistake.
I believe he made a mistake.
I believe we need more time.
I believe we need more time.
I believe it's risky.
I believe it's risky.
I believe we misunderstood.
I believe we misunderstood.
I believe it needs improvement.
I believe it needs improvement.
I believe this changed me.
I believe this changed me.
I believe I was wrong.
I believe I was wrong.
I believe we crossed paths for a reason.
I believe we crossed paths for a reason.
I believe I needed this.
I believe I needed this.
I believe everything will be fine.
I believe everything will be fine.
I believe life teaches us.
I believe life teaches us.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.